Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. So in this video we are going to install some applications for web development. So at first we need to install a Chrome, which is a browser, internet browser. First you guys need to go to your like Microsoft Edge or something and search for Google Chrome. Download for PC or anything, and go to your like latest. Okay, I came into wrong one. Okay, Google Chrome web. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll the link will be in the description, so don't worry about it. Okay, so you guys need to download this and install this. I'm not going to show you guys the process of how to install this, but I'm going to show you guys how to install a code editor first, because it requires something that we need. First you guys need to download vscode. Okay, you guys need to just write vscode, and at first thing you will see is vscode code editing redefined, and below that you will get like updates vscode.dev. You guys need to download this. So at first you will greet with three things: Windows, a Penguin, and a Apple. Okay, the Penguin is Linux. If you guys are on Linux like Ubuntu and Debian, you guys can use .deb, or you guys are on Red Hat and Fedora, you guys can use RPM over here. Okay, and if you guys are on Mac, you guys can just download this and like install all of it. Okay, there are something like if you guys have like Intel based Mac, you guys need to download this one. If you guys have Apple Cynical, you guys can download this one. Okay, so right now we are going to install this one, which is Windows. You guys just need to click on it. At first you guys need to know what your system is, so don't worry about like see it's your like 64-bit or 32-bit. You guys can actually check it like over here. Go to property, and over here you guys can see system type 64-bit operating system. And yeah, I'm actually using 3 gigs of RAM, and it's like oldest laptop you guys can see. So this at first you guys need to download this, so it will automatically recognize your like 64-bit or 32-bit and download it for you. I already downloaded one, so over here, so you guys need to click on it. So you'll get this one, license agreement. You guys need to agree with that, like I accept the agreement. You guys can actually read that, and next you guys need to have all over here clicked on. Okay, you guys can click your over here also, and go to next and press on install, and after that you will get like finish button and finish, and there will be like launch VS Code. You guys need to do that. So I already did this one, so I'm not going to install it again. So now first I'm going to show you guys how Visual Code look, and also some thing you need to set up for web development. So this is Visual Studio Code. At first I'm pretty sure it will look like this to you guys. I have made it like doing right now. So at first you guys can see there is a recent one and this start. At first you might have like set up your VS Code. You guys need to go through that, and like you guys don't need to set up all of it, so don't worry about it. So over here at first we got Explorer, where we are going to have your folders, your everything like repositories and all, like from the GitHub and all. And this is the search for like normal search thing. We got like source control like from GitHub and stuff, like you guys can get the repository over here. We got the bugs fix, like debugging stuff, and over here this is the important one. It's called extensions. I have installed some over here, so I need you guys to install this. So at first and the most, you guys need to download this one. It will have like install, and you guys need to do nothing. Okay, you guys don't need to do anything after this, like just install. And after that you guys need to download Prettier for code formatting and all, but you guys can just download this one and call it a day, or you guys can just download all of them. So this is bracket pair colorized, highlight matching tags, HTML CSS support for to get like auto completions and all. Like you already get auto completion, but I'll tell you guys what to do. And also like internet rainbow stuff and all. And live server is actually important for every developer, so I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do stuff with this. And pretty color formatter, prettier. So first let's go to settings and all. Like this is the settings one, and you guys can change the theme over here. I'm currently using Monokai, Monokai, or I don't know how to spell, but at first I'm pretty sure like you guys have like this one or something. So actually I changed to, okay, where is that one? Okay, this one. I'm going to use this one. So this is Explorer, where we are going to do stuff like having the folder over here and all. So in the next episode we are going to start with coding and all. So I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye.